Okay, go ahead. Hey y'all, what is poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirah Ominique. If you're new here, hello. Today is a new vlog. Y'all, I'm about to start taking better care of my hair under my wigs. So as you guys know, I do be taking sugar bear hair pills. They're bomb. If you haven't, you know, heard about me talking about it, well, I love them so much. They're little gummies. They taste so good. Take 2 a day, and it's like biotin. It grows like your hair, and my hair is getting more so much thicker and longer. But I really want to cut it into a blunt cut because I just really feel like I just want my ends chopped off and just start new. So I won't probably cut it up to there, but I'll probably cut it to like right here, like a long cut or something. I'm gonna just tell her I want a blunt cut or something. So anyway, I'm gonna just be like, what do you think I should do? Like, I don't know, I want it short, like a blunt cut, so I can like flat iron my own hair, like when I feel like wearing my natural hair, just to have it like in a certain like style. I'm on my way now. I literally just asked around. I made a post and was like, oh my god, like I really want my hair done today, like because I'm going to the fair and I really just want my hair done. So yeah, and it's time to get my ends cut. Like I haven't got them cut, so y'all are gonna come with me to get my hair done. So just enjoy the vlog. This shit is about to be cut. Okay, go ahead. But yep, I'm a YouTuber.
Like, where do I start? I mean, you do that, like,
You just gotta start. Where? So y'all, I'm gonna get my hair dyed black. And this is Kirah. Hey boo, she squeezed me in last minute, y'all. Thank you God. Thank you. And I'm gonna have her Instagram in the description box below if you're in the Milwaukee area. I read on your page that you're gonna move to Atlanta.
yes, 2 months.
I have a lot of Atlanta supporters too.
Okay.
So make sure y'all go rock with her if you're into, what all do you do, like natural hair?
Natural hair. I'm a colorist. I don't really like weave, but I'll get you slayed with silk press.
Yeah, but her natural hair, y'all, I went on her page. I'm like, yes, I need her. Like, people was tagging her in my Facebook post. I was like, I DM'd her and texted her. She didn't respond. But yeah, y'all, her Instagram will be in the description box below because I need to get my real hair together. So she's gonna get me right, period. Y'all, this is the best part. And this is her assistant. Say hey. Hey. Yeah, I looked it up today because somebody told me. Y'all, I love her because she's telling me how to take care of my hair, y'all. So she's the real tea.
Yes.
Period. But oh my god, I'm gonna have a blunt cut. This is okay, y'all, so this is how my hair turned out. It's hella cute, hella healthy. She is so bomb. I really like her because she really educated me on like how I should have my hair under my wig. Like especially when I get ponytails, I should come get a deep condition like before I come to her. I mean, go to her before I get like wigs and stuff, so she can give me like a good treatment before it goes under wigs and stuff like that. So this was definitely worth it. So I'm gonna have her Instagram in the description box below. She is super bomb. My hair is looking super healthy. I've been wanting to cut my hair, so yeah, because my hair was like uneven and she was just telling me that. I'm like, yeah girl, like that's exactly why I wanted to cut my hair. So yeah, it turned out real cute and my vlog camera died obviously, but yeah. So right now I'm finna just go to the state fair. Sorry about my camera quality, y'all, like, but I really wanted to vlog today. So but yeah, this is hella cute. Like this is so cute. I love it. But I'm on my way to the fair now, so I'm gonna see y'all once I get to the fair. I really need to put something else on, but whatever, I guess. I finally made it into the fucking state fair after 50 million years. She's slow. Look at this bitch. This thing, she's swag. Hey.
Oh, everybody here. They all down there.
Hmm? Well, that's your family?
Yep. Maya in here too? Maya not here.
Waffle.
You got so sick, girl. Oh, I had surgery.
Keep it 100 with these hoes. Period, pool. No sugarcoated shit. She wasn't getting fucked, unfortunately.
Just like your